doing beaches.
Back top burning holes in our sneakers, but it's all gonna be alright. Cause we came to celebrate and live like it's graduation. These are the days we'll never forget. I'm living my life, I'm dancing on cloud nine, way up in the sky. I'm flying so high, I'm sipping on sunshine. It's got me like wow, I might never come down. Up here it's so bright, I'm feeling alive. I'm sipping on sunshine. Woo! I'm sipping on sunshine. All summer
So
we'll be
our
diving in.
basic education school learners, I would like to welcome you all to school year 2026-2027. And I hope that this year will become a fruitful year, not only to me, not only to our teachers, but to all of us. Again, welcome everyone, and hope to see you around in the campus.
Way up in the sky, I'm flying so high.